Hello everyone. Happy new month to you all, and I wish you the best of the month. So we are in the month of November, and we see last previous month we had a bullish trend that is for the last 2 months now. I've been buying since September and October. So after this bullish movement we have right here, market traded into a resistance level. Since market is currently at the resistance level, so what is the next thing we do? Look for what? A confirmation for a buy or a sell. Now, coming down to this time frame, we see how market broke this low, but this low can also be what? Inducement low based on this unmitigated structural range right here. So let's go to H4 and see it better so you understand what I mean. Right here, after market induced this little low right here, made a higher high. It created what? A range structure, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. A lower low right here, a break of structure, and we sold around this particular point. Market now trade into this internal structure and into this imbalance right here, retracing back the upside. So this is the first thing we are seeing market doing. Now, another point we note is what our commitment of traders. This is the one we'll be looking at for today. So when you look at it right here, sellers enter the market. And just like I said, this is what a leading indicator. So the one that we Fed market now for this coming week has already come out. That was on Friday, but it's yet to show because market is yet to open this for on this bar chart. So it will open this night around 10 p.m. So once market open now, we see higher prices. We can't backward like 5 days. If it's up to 5 days, that the sell that they added more sell position or they added more buy position, that will give us an edge for us to expect more sell or more buy from this particular area. So if they added more buy position and we count back, is up to 5 days when the order was open because it was open on Tuesday, right? So they added either they added a more contract, more buy contract, or more sell contract within the week, or they close some contract. So when you count it back on Tuesday, it'll likely be around somewhere here. So if they add more position, that adding more buy position, will look toward higher prices. If they add more sell position, we look toward lower prices on US dollar is as what quotes. We'll look for that. So now looking at this now, based on technical view, market came to this area. So I will call this what inducement based on technical view. So we expect market to retrace and give us what some buy to this level. If you have what a reason to sell based on the good data that will come out, then we can what go lower to this particular level. So this is my first view for the week. This is my first view. So my first view is what a buy and a sell. So possibly if the good data come out positive, is they are buying US dollar, we see price higher from this particular area. But if not, we see price lower down here for the week. So this is my expectation for the week on US dollar. All right. So we look at good. Looking at good after a sell move that happened right here for the week. And from last weekly outlook, I did say this is what inducement. So because I didn't do the recap, I said I will do it today. So we see how price after this buy market came back to the zone marked. Now last weekly commentary gave us what some buy movement to the upside and broke structure to the upside. And right here, I mark this area for what a pullback. Market came to that area, gave us some pullback before continuation to the upside, and explain everything on my previous video. So right here we have what a break of structure to the upside. So this is still our break of structure. Now gold is already showing exhaustion. All right, exhaustion. So when you look at meta right here, good. All right. So you see net position is minus 17,000 or 17K. So they lose a lot of what long position last week, and they added a lot of short position, 1,000 short position, and they close what 5,000 long position last week. So since they do this, this is why this coming week the Tuesdays I have in mind, which is if US dollar becomes stronger, right? If US dollar becomes stronger, we will see price at least come to this imbalance. Then we see push downside, and we have this sharp movement right here to the upside. So my view, good, is what a bearish trend. So I expect good give us what short-term bullish uh, movement this area before we see lower prices. Now, when it comes to gold on lower time frame, let's say on 15 minutes time frame for the week, what happened right here? So this Monday after market went above this high, market retraced back into this level, broke structure right here. New York session, market gave first entry on gold. This is the first entry one should be able to take. The first entry outside. After this, on Tuesday, market also would give us what buy continuation to the upside. Right here, if one would have taken the entry, what would have happened? Maybe if you place your stop loss right below this low, you would have taken a stop. Market would have hit your stop loss because it looked like it almost created a double top right here by grabbing two liquidity or two core bottom, which is a what a liquidity. So one would have what expected what buy from this particular level, but market this low with just a little pipette, continue flying the upside. On Tuesday, on Wednesday, we also see price bought in London session. In New York session, it retraced and continue buying. So on Thursday, see price what drop down with news and all. So market drop down that very first day. On Friday, right here, we see prices. And in London session, it consolidates, all right? Then New York session, it drop down. So this is what we have for last week. On GBP USD, we see price down movement right here. Thursday, this is one of the trade that market provided. And from our last weekly outlook, I marked our POIs. I marked this area as our POI. I also marked this area as our POI, where we will look to sell this pair. Okay, because around somewhere here on lower time frame, somewhere here. Right, market blew through that area. Now, understand, at least for the beginning of the week, we're expecting what a buy program, at least for market to form high of the week on Tuesday or on Wednesday, since our last weekly look was giving us that we will likely expect more, at least a strength on US dollar. So, and GBP USD last week was pretty weak. After market formed the high of the week on Wednesday, we see market forming the low week on Thursday. So this is what market offered for the week, and the major trend for the week is what the down trend. So this is our last structure range. So I have here break structure. So we have this break of structure. The next thing we do is what where do we mark out as our next POI? So I have this area POI for a bullish buy, bullish movement. If market would break structure the upside, and that is what I expect. We have what this could report adding more sell position, then we will expect what bullish trend on this pair. So the next area I will expect price to give us a sell movement, but as a retracement. If market break this high, I'll be short-term bullish on this particular pair. So this is our main POI of this high. But as what retracement, if market break this high, I will look to what buy the pair. So I can only look for a short-term downtrend and expansion to the upside. So this is what I expect for the week on this particular pair. Right. So the first view is what the bearish trend. That still what buying US dollar. then we expect what a bearish trend to continue. But if they're not buying it after this sell, a short-term sell, then we see what a higher prices the upside for market to come fill this long-awaited imbalance right here. So that is that on that pair. On this pair, which is Euro USD, we saw some buy, which I gave some weekly view on all. This was our last structure range. Market now would break the structure to the upside right here. So this looks like what break of structure. The next thing we expect of price now is they add a more buy position or sell position. Then we know if they add more buy position on US dollar, that means this is what inducement. Market just induce this and trade into this particular or into this resistance level right here. So this is what a clear resistance level. These two are clear resistance level. So market has already traded into it and it looks like it's engulfing this particular candle. So if they're adding more buy position on US dollar, we see lower prices. At least we see high of the week forming something somewhere around Tuesday, Wednesday, or Monday, Tuesday before we see lower prices again. So that is my view on this particular pair. These are the three pairs I'll be giving my view on for the week. That is all for today. So good luck, good trading. So I'll be active within the week, and if you have any question, you can drop it on my Telegram channel in our discussion group. Right? Peace to you all.